Now, final thing for the drums, I'm going to add in a bit of reverb. Minus 25% is a good starting point. So this is a reverb send. Going here to this reverb, a shorter one, and so all of the drums are being sent to this now. So reverb is being applied parallel, but to all of the drums. And then what I have here is this sidechain compressor, which is set to the drum bus. So the reverb comes in, it's got a low cut, and then the actual signal from the drums is pushing the volume of the reverb down. And the reason we do this is that we can get this nice kind of spacious reverb feeling, but without washing out the transients and stuff, because the drum signal is pushing the reverb down, and then when the drums stop playing or the signal changes, it lets through a bit more reverb. So it gets this nice kind of atmospheric sound, but with a lot of control.